Welcome, I'm Aliki. I'm here to help you upgrade your energy. In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple way that you can alleviate physical pain or even get rid of it completely. Now, the longer you have been living with a specific pain, the deeper rooted it is in the memory of your cells and you, and that requires a different method of healing. What I'm talking about in this video is how to deal with pain that has just happened that moment, or that you've had for maybe a few hours or perhaps even a day. This works amazingly if you do it that minute. So the next time you hurt yourself, try this out. What you do is, where you have hurt yourself, say, for example, you're walking and you sprain your ankle. You imagine from your heart, you focus your energy on your heart. As you know, I always start from the heart. It is your core. And you imagine that your energy from your heart is opening up. Imagine that the cells and fibers of you are just opening up. Imagine this expansiveness, both in depth and going outwards. Now you can tell me, but I've hurt my ankle. How is opening up from my heart, my core, going to help me? But by opening up from your heart, you open up all the way, all of you, and all the way, including your feet, your ankle. And you imagine this opening up. There's nothing else that you really need to do. It's a depth and expansiveness of your cells. And you could say, but that's so simple. Why would something like that work? I don't know, but it works. Try it and you'll see. Because the cells open up, there's less density to it. It's more open. There's a higher frequency, there's a higher vibration. And also because you start focusing on energy from your heart and your attention has moved into your heart, that promotes much faster healing. It's when you're focused within your heart, it's very hard to feel pain, like physical pain. It doesn't exist deep in source energy. Pain doesn't exist there. So by opening yourself up and focusing your energy here, you heal. And then you can do what it is you need to do. If you need to find ice, if you need to tie up your ankle, of course you're going to seek medical attention if this is necessary. But if you're feeling better, if the pain instantly goes, then you're feeling better. You have to listen to your body, see how it is that you're feeling. There are times that we do this and the pain just goes away completely, and there's times that it makes us feel much better, but we still need a doctor and we need to go search for professional help. And you need to listen to your body and listen to what is being said to you. Now, the reason this works with something instantly and it doesn't work as well with something that's long-lasting is because the long-lasting physical pain needs a healing from within. It needs more depth to this. It's not an instant thing. What I'm sharing with you is just an instant moment of focusing your energy and opening up. So it's a 3-step process: focusing your energy in your heart, opening and expansiveness outwards and inwards, and focusing on the part of your body that is hurting at that moment, expanding outwards and in the depth. So the more you practice playing around with your energy, this is fun. First of all, it can be great fun, and it helps you on many levels because you learn how your energy flows, how it moves. And the more you learn to control your energy, to understand the movement of your energy and how it works, the easier it is for you to reach higher frequency, higher vibration, and tap into your source energy and have this flow forward. So let me know in the comments if you hurt yourself. I'm hoping you don't hurt yourself, but if you do, let me know in the comments if you tried this out and it worked. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe and like.